Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can connect Supabase with Lovable. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I'll describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little bit different. So yeah, first open your Lovable website and then go ahead and click your profile right here, and then you will see your settings, and just go ahead and click that. And now you will just have to go to integrations, which is right here in the integrations section, and then you will click Supabase and just go ahead and click connect Supabase. And of course, you have to make sure that you do have already your Supabase account so that you will be able to connect it to your Lovable. And yeah, that's just basically it. And yeah, once you're connected, you can now pull data from Supabase or use it for authentication. And by the way, that's if your screen looks different, you'll just have to um, look for the settings again, and then yeah, you will see Supabase no matter what version you have. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. And please make sure to like and subscribe if this video was helpful. Thank you.